Hey everyone, today we are going to solve this problem, which is count of a total number of matches in tournament. So we have been given an integer n as our parameter, and we have to decide which will tell you how many teams are there before the start of the tournament, and we have to decide we have to return how many total number of matches will be played. But there is a condition: if the teams are even, then it's very easy to, as it is very easy to find out that matches will be played will in the first round, in that round will be n by 2, because let's say 6 teams are there, then three matches will be played. And if the teams are odd, then one team will qualify to the next round, and the remaining teams will be even, and out of them the matches will be played. And then the team which have qualified will be there with the teams which have now qualified by playing the matches. So, what I mean with that, I'll go through here. Let's say the teams are one. How many matches will be played? Zero matches, because if the teams are one, if there is only one team, then total matches will be played will be zero. That team is going to be the winner. If teams are two before the start of a tournament, how many matches will be played? In that case, only one match is going to be played, and you will find winner of the tournament, the team which wins. If the teams are three, let's say three teams are there, so you can see that number is odd, and for odd we have one team will qualify and qualified to the next round. So this one team has qualified to the next round. Now remaining teams will be two. So out of those two teams, how many matches can be played? One match can be played. So one match has been played. Now how many teams have been in the second round? Those from those two teams, there will be one team which has qualified to the next round. So and one has been initially qualified. So number of teams which are now in the next round will be two. So in those two teams, how many matches can be played? One. And after that, after the match, we'll have a winner of the tournament. So how many matches in totality have been played in this? If the teams are three, that is two. So for three, we have three teams initially. We have two matches to be played for tournament. Let's say we have four teams initially uh, for the tournament. How many matches are going to be played? Four teams, two teams will win and two teams will lose. So two matches initially. Then after two matches have been played, so two teams will be qualified to the next round. So how many matches can be played among them? It will be one, and one team will win after that, and that's the winner of the tournament. So in totality, three matches have been played. Now let's say teams are five. Five teams are there. One team has qualified for the next round. Four teams are remaining. In those four teams, how many matches can be played? Two matches can be played. If two matches have been played, so two teams will qualify and two will be knocked out. So now total number of teams are how much? 2 plus 1, that is 3. Three teams are remaining. So in three teams also again, one team will be qualified, that is this, and two teams are there. So in those two teams, how many matches can be played? One team will be qualified and one will be knocked out. Now how many teams are remaining? Two. One has been there, and from the two, and one which has been passed to the next round. So the total number of teams now remaining will be two. In those two teams, how many matches can be played? One, and one team will win and one team will lose. So remaining teams are how many? Now one. So that is going to be a winner. So for five, how many matches have been played? Four. In this way, you can see a pattern. If one team is there, you have zero. If two teams are there, you have one. If three teams are there, you have two. If four teams are there, you have three. If five teams are there, you have four matches. So let's say seven teams are there. With our logic, it should have six, and that it is. If 14 teams are there, it will be n minus 1, that is 13, and that's right over here also. So the answer for this is going to be what? Return n minus 1 as simple as it could be. And if I run the code, it possibly should give me the right answer, and it is giving me the right answer. So for this question, the time complexity is nothing. It will be O of n. The space complexity is also time complexity will be O of one, and the space complexity is also going to be O of one. So that was whole about this code for this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Hope this one has solved your purpose to be here.